Hi, my name is Max, and today I'm going to show you how to play the Rainstick and the Woodbirds. We'll start with the Rainstick. This Rainstick is made out of bamboo, but traditionally, Rainsticks are made out of a cactus that's dried up and the needles are pushed in, so when the stones and seeds inside hit the needles, it makes a rain-like sound, like this. If you tilt it slowly, you get a softer, gentle sound, and if you tilt it fast, you'll get a harder sound. And now we'll move on to the Woodbirds. The Woodbirds are a modern-day version of the African pod rattle, and these ones are made out of wood. The Woodbirds are meant to imitate the sound of a flock of birds or even a waterfall when you make sound with them. The Woodbirds can be played in many different ways. You can move them around in your hand, and you can even take a stick against it and make noise.